Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it is January 19 and we're gonna do an Ipsy unboxing. January Ipsy box. So same old package. I actually don't even remember what was in this package. But ooh, it's pretty. So out of the package, this is this month's bag, and I already see the first item. Lux beauty brush, like a highlight brush. I don't have one of these, so this is actually good. Alright, let's see. Oh, I remember picking this one. I finally got the option to pick. So this is Morphe full coverage concealer in the shade C4.35, and let's open it up. So out of the box, this is what it looks like. Okay, this looks like it will work. This looks like it will be my shade enough. It's probably better. So this looks like it'll be my shade. I'll have to try that another time, but for now, this is all it's getting. And then Bella Pierre Cosmetics lipstick in ruby. Ooh, this looks like it's gonna be a pretty red. By the way, I'm not the biggest fan of red lipstick. I just don't feel like red lipstick fits me. I always try to buy one, but I've not found my perfect red yet. But this is how it looks, and this is how it looks out of the container. This is how it swatches, and this is Pore Glow Mask by, I don't know, let's see, the little card. I'm doing it like out of order so I can see what this. Alright, so by JJ Young Pure Glow Mask. So let's see. Oh, so this is how it looks on the inside. I'm recently starting to do like masks in my skin routine, so this will be exciting to try because I don't really know what brands they are out there and what to try and what's the best. I know I could just Google it, but I'm lazy. And then ooh, so this is a Too Faced primer. So I got this as a sample at Sephora, and it's really good, but I'm not really the biggest fan of the brush. Is by Luxie Beauty 560 medium fan flawless brush. So it's basically a highlighter brush. I don't have one of these, so I'm actually pretty happy I got one. I'll just leave this on. Let me feel it. Feels pretty good. Feels pretty soft. I think it'll be good. So that's really it. This month was a really nice bag. Really good. I really like everything I got in there. No complaints. And they stepped up because this bag is super cute. Super cute, and it feels great. It doesn't really feel like their normal material. This feels pretty good. And of course, I just like messed it up with makeup already. But anyway, thank you for watching. Can't wait to see you next month's vlog, and hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye.